stick of butter I've got cut up in here. I'm gonna get that melting here in just a second. And then a half a cup of milk. And your dry ingredients are just 3 cups of old-fashioned oats, 2 cups of sugar, a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, a little bit of peanut butter, and some vanilla. I'll put all the amounts in the description down below. I'm gonna get this melting, and then we're gonna get into mixing this together though. Got these good and mixed up, and we're just going to spoon these out onto parchment paper, and they're going to need to sit for probably 20 minutes or so before they get good and hard, and hopefully they'll work. If not, you can just eat them with a spoon, I guess, but we'll come back and look at them here in a second and see how we did. But I just run a knife underneath them and they come loose of that parchment paper. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope y'all enjoyed, and I will see y'all next time.